Hi guys, sorry if I'm blurry. It is 9:01 right now. Hold on, let me fix it. It's 9:01 here in Venice. An hour ago, someone was cooking on the floor above us and set off the fucking fire alarm. And I started crying because I left my favorite stuffed animal, his name is Hookie, in the room. And I thought the building was burning, but it wasn't. I said, do we have to stay? And my mom and dad said yes. Hopefully I don't die tonight. Love you guys.